going on, guys? I just wanted to talk about something that I thought was really cool, and I'm very happy to say. About last Tuesday, around midday, whatever, I decided that I would finally do the trail Lower K27. And some people, actually, probably most people, uh, you probably don't even know what that is, and that's fine. But to me, it's been a trail at Hunter Mountain, which is the steepest and toughest trail there is at that mountain. And I've been wanting to do it for the last probably 5 years. Ever since I heard about it, I was always like, wow, I got to do that someday. And my dad has always been like, it's not a trail that you do all the time, it's one that you do it when the conditions are good. And I was always like, huh, sounds good. This is very special to me because after all these years, last Tuesday I was finally able to ski it, and I'm very happy about that. And it's just that the feeling I had right after that was amazing. There was two things driving me when I was standing at the top of that trail. One of them being I could do this easily because I know I'm good enough to do it. It's just pushing myself over this mental obstacle, and just how good I would feel after it, and how good like this will set me up for future tougher trails to do, how much more comfortable it would make me. And standing up there for the first time and then finally dropping in was like, it was an amazing feeling. Dropping into that trail for the first time was pretty awesome. Once I was in there, it didn't feel as like special or anything. I was just like, okay, I'm in it, so I'm doing it right now. But once I was done with it, once I got down it, I realized that over like 5 years, I finally did the trail that I was hoping to do for a while, and I was like super excited. And then about 2 days ago, I went to do the trail two more times, and each of those times I saw improvement in the way I was skiing it already. So that just sets me up for bigger and better achievements in the future. So without any more talking, let me just show you guys the clip.
Look what you did!
It turned into a double black really fast.
Yeah!
When did that happen?
I don't know, I was trying to tell you to come back. You're already too far.
It was on my dad.
Yeah, I know.
To be honest, I'm pretty sure enemy override. That's probably what you want. Wow.
Yeah.
That looks nice.
everybody. Did you do it today?
Nah, because I'm with a snowboarder. I've been
Oh.
wanting to.
Yeah, I'm looking. I don't know how
I
it
see
is
you
down
watching
there.
it. Just
Yeah.
fucking do it, man.
Yeah, screw
Really?
it.
There's no rhyme or reason to these bumps.
No reason.
Nope.
Should be good. Whew, that's pretty good, I'd say. Okay. It's like powder mixed with ice. Oh, even better than the last one. Hopefully my next one's even better.
Good job.
I did decide, I was like, eh.